will show you where you have to park your car for free. So this was my hotel. This is the Kiswah Tower. And right over there, we have to park our car. It is for free. If you see anywhere that sign, do not park your car over there. So from the hotel, this blue color is my hotel. And I'm walking on the opposite side. So guys, again, I will show you. That side was my hotel. You come, walk on the opposite side, there where the car is going. Over here, they will remove your car. My King Kong is parked right over there. So guys, now I'm going to Haram, and from this hotel, if you want to go to Haram, you just pay 15 riyals. And when you want to come back, that is the time you will be paying 20 riyals. That's it. And it is just 5 minutes drive. After walking for 10 seconds, that is the hotel over there. And you can see right over here, there is a supermarket, there is a restaurant. So overall, the area is very good. And as I told you, this is the Kiswah Tower over here. The location is very nice. And now let's go first, have a quick breakfast, and immediately I'll leave. Now the time is 10:39 or some falafel from here. 10:30, you can come and have falafel here. As you have seen, I had taken that taxi and paid around 15 riyals only, and he dropped me here. And let me show you. And right on the back, that is the gate number 79, which is Bab Malik Fahad. So that is very easy for the people who are going to do tawaf. For them, it's very easy to go from there and take a left, and you will enter the area where you will perform tawaf. But me, I just came over here to pray, and I will even show you one very good thing that you can use if you want to donate something as a sadaqah jariyah, which will keep giving you reward. Salam alaikum guys. If you are coming to Haram with elderly people and you want free wheelchair, you can come here to Bab Salam, and here at this location, you can see at the back, you will get free wheelchair. All you have to do is just bring that elderly person with you over here and just show it to them, and they will hand over you the wheelchair. That's it, as simple as that. You do not require passport or any document to submit over here. Nothing is required. But just for your own safety, carry a document, because you don't know when the rule might change. So as of now, right now, I just spoke to them and they said me that no document is required. Just bring the elderly person over here and they'll give you the wheelchair for free of cost. And how to reach this location? This area is called Bab Salam, Gate Bab Salam. And to reach this area, I have showed you that you have to come from washroom number 3 for the men's. From there, all the way, you have to climb the bridge and just walk all the way from the bridge. That's the way how you'll walk down, and on your right side, you will find this location. Once they see the elderly person, they'll give you the wheelchair. You don't require to give passport or any document. But in case, for your own safety, do carry your passport or document, whatever is there, because you never know when the rule changes. Not wearing ihram, like I'm not wearing ihram today. You can come direct to the second floor area, sit and pray over here, and you can see even Kaaba from the top. So guys, you can do a couple of things when you are here in Haram, and inshallah you will always keep getting reward for that. And these things are, firstly, you can buy Mushaf or Quran for the people. So all you can do is you can come to bookshops like this, buy Quran from here, and they will keep it inside the Haram. And inshallah, whoever reads the Quran, you will be getting the ajr for that. Second thing, you can buy the chairs for the elderly people. I will show you now. You can come to the shop over here and buy the chair for the elderly people, and they will keep this chair, inshallah, inside the Haram. So whoever uses this chair and do their prayer, ibadat, inshallah, you will also be getting ajr from that. And the third thing, if you are having a bit better budget, you can take wheelchairs either from the pharmacy, or you can tell to these people and take the wheelchairs and donate it. And inshallah, whoever will be using these wheelchairs, and you will also be getting ajr for that, inshallah. And may Allah accept all our hard works and our charity, inshallah. So when you take the chairs, you can write that it is only for the Haram use. The person, he is taking the chairs to Haram, and inshallah he will keep it over there. May Allah give us the reward for this. In order to reach this location, it is very simple. From the WC number 8, you just come here. If you have even seen the KFC, and Bin Dawood is right over here, and these shops are over here. The bookstores are right over here. Inshallah, may Allah accept it. And guys, if you want to take taxi again back to your hotel, it is on gate number 79. Once you come out from here, once you come out right from here, you can see bus station. So just get down Get down from here down and you can get taxi. Now before we go back our home, it's time to take ZamZam water. So the advantage of coming in car is like you can take so much ZamZam water with you. Planning to take 10 ZamZam water, but I don't know if it will fit in my car or no. This is the location from where you can come and you can get like that ZamZam water for yourself. And I'll tell you how much it costs now. I will go inside and buy, and I will even tag this location in the description below, so you can also come direct to the factory and take pure authentic water. Because before I heard some cases also where fake ZamZam water people were selling at stores, so it's better to directly take from factory. When you will come over here, there are two options. One is down, the big bottle, which is not allowed for air transport. This is only if you're coming by car, you can take this big size. And this one is allowed for the air transport. So guys, there was more space in my car, so I'm taking 3 more ZamZam water, which is 5 liter each, because this is the best water in the world, you know, and you're getting here just for 10 riyals. This is the office from inside, and they do not accept cash here. Only credit card or debit card payment is accepted here. Another important thing, they did not have ZamZam water bottle that is accepted at airport, which is smaller in size. Only one option is available over here, which is 5 liter, and the price is 10 riyal per bottle. So this is how you come, take the trolley from here. So guys, you have to keep your receipt over here, scan it, there is 7, and this thing open. Bismillah, 1, this is 2, it will close, then 1, okay. So I will pick 1. Samina, Amina, are you excited? So this is, mashallah, our trunk full with, mashallah, ZamZam water, and time to leave. From here our journey starts to Bahrain. Now the time is 2:13. Inshallah, let's see when we will reach. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Subhanalladhi sakhar lana hadha wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin. Wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Ya Rabbil Alameen, Ya Allah, make our journey easy and safely we reach our destination, inshallah. Time is 2:15 p.m. and inshallah we'll start our journey from here to Bahrain, and as per the map it shows around 14 hours to reach, and the distance is 1350 kilometers from here. But definitely we'll be stopping, having long breaks, this and that, so it will be around 20 hours. But inshallah this time I won't go at a slow speed. I'll be going at the speed what road limit has. So if it is 140, we'll go 140. Now for 2-3 hours this is going to be the formation. I'll be sleeping, Ghanim is sitting here, Hamdan is sleeping there, and Amina is sleeping over there with her phone, and my wife, she's driving. Guys, we will sleep now because then I have to drive at night. So after driving from Makkah towards Bahrain, this is my first refuel. I have driven almost 385 kilometers. This is a Sasco petrol pump, and this is one of the most expensive fuel pump over here. The price for 95 octane is 2.385 riyals, because usually we fill it for 2.33 riyals. Now it is 2.85 riyals. It refueled now for 57 liters and it costed me 136 riyal. The fuel is expensive compared to Bahrain. In Bahrain we have to just pay 140 for 91 and 200 for the premium one. So guys, from last fuel station till now, I was driving continuously and I drove 260 kilometers. So my car is giving an average of 6.5 kilometers per liter. So now I refilled around 40 liters in my car. The average is fine. It's still alhamdulillah good, but I'm going at 40 at a speed of 140 kilometers per hour. That's the average speed. AC is off. Mostly I'm doing the air intake from outside. It's coming in. So because the weather is fine, it's good. So that's the update now. Now the temperature is really cold. It's like around 19 degree and the time is 10:30 in the night. So super hungry. We stopped at this restaurant over here. They don't have family section, so we will be sitting right over there outside. We'll quickly eat our food and we'll start driving again. In between, I will look for some shop where I can have Red Bull, Power Horse, something, so I can stretch as much as I can. The reason is because my kids is having vaccination tomorrow and his appointment is at 1 o'clock. So the more near I reach to Bahrain, like 200, 300 kilometers left, we can stop. If we get some hotel, we can stay there for 4 or 5 hours, take a nap and then move on. Or maybe we'll sleep in the car. So let's see how things goes. So Bismillah, this is chicken kadai and that is chicken biryani. Bismillah. Mmm. So amazing, full of curry, full of spices, really good food because we did not even have our lunch. So Alhamdulillah, it's nice. Let me try biryani also. How's the food, Amina? Ghanim, eat and tell. How's the taste? Bismillah. Is it nice?
And then it's
So let me try.
no spicy, nothing.
So he's saying it's not spicy, it is nice, huh?
Yeah.
Let me try. Bismillah. Mm. There is lots of coriander in this thing. So the first thing is coriander taste will kick in. And overall the spices are less and it's overall nice. But this chicken kadai is amazing. So guys, almost 600 kilometers left. Now the time is 12:10 at the night. So after having a delicious meal at that restaurant, it was a Pakistani restaurant. The food was really amazing. Now I'm feeling a bit sleepy. So I was like, I just drove around 152 kilometers. So I just refueled over here for another 25 liters came something. And then I was like, I'll just get a Red Bull or Power Horse something, some caffeine to keep me awake for another 2 hours. Alhamdulillah, we just reached back to Bahrain and I'm refilling my car in Bahrain and we'll go home and sleep. Super tired, guys. Now the time is 11:40. So yesterday we started at, I think, 1 o'clock till we reach for the water factory and everything. Just reached home, unloaded my bags. Hope you enjoyed this whole series. If you liked it, make sure to hit like, subscribe and share it with your family and friends. And I will show you how much I have driven in past 9 days. So it is almost 3,577 kilometers. That's the total journey.